Hi, welcome to TunesKit. If you see an icon of a data cable and a computer on your iPhone, and there is a line of text explaining support.apple.com/iPhone/restore, it means your iPhone has entered recovery mode. So today's video will show you how to fix an iPhone stuck in recovery. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone to exit. For iPhone 6 or earlier models, press and hold both the home button and the top button until you see the Apple logo. For iPhone 8 or later models, press and quickly release the volume up button, then the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Method 2. Use iTunes to exit. Connect your iPhone to the computer, and iTunes will prompt you with a message indicating that your iPhone is in recovery mode. You can choose to update or restore your iPhone to fix the issue. Click Update to upgrade your iPhone to the latest system version and exit recovery mode. Click Restore iPhone to upgrade to the latest system version, but note that this will erase all your data, so don't try it easily. Method 3. Use TunesKit iOS System Recovery. If you think the above methods are too complicated, you can use TunesKit iOS System Recovery. Connect your iPhone to the computer and select the Enter/Exit Recovery Mode option. Then click Exit Recovery Mode. Wait a few seconds, and your iPhone will automatically exit recovery mode. Likewise, if you still need to enter recovery mode, you can use the Enter Recovery Mode function, and it will immediately put your iPhone into recovery mode with just one click. It can also repair over 150 iOS system issues, including charging and startup problems, stuck in recovery mode, stuck on white Apple logo, black screen of death, etc. Without erasing your data. Let's have a try. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.